Assalamu alaikum. Here is the construction update for this week. Alhamdulillah, carpenters are continuing to work on dense glass sheathing on the south side of the building. Masonry contractors are working on the elevator enclosure. They will be done with ground floor by tomorrow, inshallah. Concrete contractor is working on the vestibule front wall. Waterproofing continued another 4 feet up the foundation. Stormwater piping is complete, and so is the installation of the inlet in front of the vestibule. Please continue donating as much as you can and support the project. Jazakallah khair for your support.